Hello, it's November here in Missouri. This is the tree. This has been a week, you know. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. It's a little cold out here. Try to get closer. There's a break in the rain, so I thought I'd come out and get the tree. All the leaves fell yesterday in the wind. It's still a little windy today, but you can see there's a couple of stragglers that are still green. But it's starting to turn this pretty gold and red. Just a couple. So this is the tree. Pretty tree. I like my maple.